Class.
Yes.
Good morning. I hope everybody had a good weekend filled with lots of fun. I hope that you are all ready to learn something new and exciting. Does anyone know what a graph is?
A picture.
A picture? Is it just a picture, or is it, what else is there? Is it a graph with a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, that is a very good answer, but there's a little more to it. A graph usually has a picture, but there's a picture there for a reason. It's showing some information, any kind of information. There's different kinds of graphs that you will learn, but today we are only going to focus on graphs that are called bar charts and pictograms. A graph usually, if you have any numbers and you're trying to take some tally marks on like what people have to say, or different colors that they like, you can always use any kind of graph. But today we're just going to focus on bar graphs and pictograms. So does anybody know what either of those are? Rocio, do you know what any of those are?
Can you repeat that, teacher?
What's a pictogram? What do you think that is? Just by listening to the word.
It sounds like a picture.
Why do you say that?
Because picto, it sounds like picture.
Okay, yeah. That's a good one. That is right. Pictogram is graph with a picture. A bar chart is a graph with bars showing information. A bar chart will have names of what the topic is about in the bottom of each graph, and on the right-hand side, it will have numbers that will tell us how many of that topic there is. A pictogram just gives us a visual of how many there is and what the topic is on the right side. So usually a graph is going to be like this, and it's going to have the name of the subject on the right hand side, and then on the bottom it's going to be what you're keeping track of. So for our first example, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, here's the first one. Can anyone tell me what type of graph this is? Really look at it and try to think of what it is.
A bar chart.
A bar chart or a bar graph, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you say that?
Because it has bars on it. It's a graph.
Okay, that's pretty self-explanatory, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, that was a really good explanation right there. That is right. This is a bar graph. The reason this is a bar graph is because it is representing the numbers by using bars. Can anyone tell me what this bar chart was looking over by just looking at it? So you're going to look at the chart and you're going to look at what the information says. Can you tell me what the information says?
How many dogs, cats, and fish there are.
Okay, so on the right hand side of the graph, we're looking at the numbers. So there's 0 to 10, and then we have pets. So dogs is blue, cats is green, and fish are orange. So 10 people had dogs, 5 people had cats, and 3 people had fish. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see. That's right. The numbers on the right side represent the dogs, cats, and fish. When using bar charts, the bottom will tell us what it is about, and on the side it will give us the numbers. Those numbers tell us how many of them have them. On 2, I can't see that. 6? Okay.